Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Nabeel Ur Rehman. I hope you all are well. So today we will discuss about understanding road lines, marking on the lines. Okay. So types of road lines that you should know for a better driving. Number one, broken white line. As you see in this picture, a broken white line gives you permission to change lane, overtake and takes U-turn. Second is continuous white line. As you see in this picture, there is a continuous white line. On this road, you are not allowed to overtake other vehicles or take U-turns. If you are on this type of road, just keep moving straight. Number 3 is continuous yellow line. As you see in this picture, there is a yellow line continuous. On such road, overtaking is allowed but only when you are on your side. Crossing the yellow line isn't permitted for either sides. Number 4 is double continuous yellow line. A double continuous yellow line in this figure implies that crossing the line is strictly not permitted for either side. So that implies no overtaking, no U-turn, no lane changes. Okay. The last is broken yellow line. You are allowed to overtake U-turns and you can do both while going over the line, provided it is safely to do so. Okay, I hope you enjoy the lesson. You will learn road safety. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.